Hi guys, it's Jessie here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are a subscriber and if you're new, welcome. I have a weekly grocery haul for you. As always, I went to Walmart and Aldi, and I'm going to go from left to right on the table here, starting with the Aldi stuff. First and foremost, I bought a big bag of potatoes. Those were super cheap, so hopefully they don't all go bad. Sometimes that happens, you know. I picked up some breakfast sausage. We're going to do Brinner one night this week with some pancakes and some sausage, so I picked up the sausage links for that. Also on the menu plan this week, we have some hot dogs. I really like these hot dogs for inexpensive hot dogs. I think that they're a great value and they're pretty good. They're not all beef or anything, but they're good. So I picked up those. I got some unsalted butter. Some of these hash brown patties, that's for our Brinner night. I got some tilapia fillets. We're going to do, obviously, some fish for dinner this week with some peppers and onions and some rice. So I'm excited about that. To stock up the freezer with super simple stuff, I picked up the gravy and Salisbury steaks. We really like these. They're not homemade. They're not good for you, but it keeps us from eating out if we have easy stuff in the freezer on hand for nights when I don't feel like cooking. So there's that. I got some sour cream. We're going to do a taco night this week. For my husband's sandwiches, I picked up pepper jack cheese and Munster cheese this week. I also picked up some Honeycrisp apples. Picked up the hot dog buns for those hot dogs. Bell peppers to go with those fish fillets. Taco shells for the tacos. I got some cereal for the week. Some cornflakes, some fruit rounds, and some shredded wheat. Picked up a couple of loaves of white bread. Iceberg lettuce for taco night. Spreadable butter for toast or whatever. Some bananas. A couple of packages of these Idahoan mashed potatoes. That's to go with the Salisbury steak. And this was a new flavor, sour cream and chives. I don't think we've had this one before. And I just dropped it on the floor. Picked up some onions and a gallon of milk, and if I'm not mistaken, that's everything from Aldi. So we can move on to Walmart. I picked up a can of coffee, which is ever important. Our favorite coffee is the Donut Shop blend from Great Value. Some chips. We're going to have chips to go with our hot dogs and to go with sandwiches for lunches for the week. Don't mind the grocery bags on the floor. So sour cream and onion, barbecue, and then just some salty pretzel sticks. The ultra thin ones are my husband's favorite. I got this little coffee drink to drink while I was walking through the store. It's the Starbucks Frappuccino in the mocha flavor. Yummy. We needed cat food, so I picked up that. I really like this Special Kitty brand. It's probably not like the greatest quality, like high quality ingredients and stuff, but our cat likes it. And for a while there, we were having a hard time finding something that he would eat. Now he never stops eating. He's a fat cat, but he likes this. Some Diet Cola. That's for me to drink this week. I wish that I could quit drinking diet soda and soda in general, but I'm just not there yet. So, I picked up some eggnog. The Southern Comfort eggnog is our favorite. Let's wander over here. Picked up these little snowman treats for the boys. I thought that they would like those. Some American cheese slices, some oven roasted turkey breast. Robbie was all out of deodorant, so I picked him up this one. This is his favorite. It's the Sport Defense from Men's Degree. Coffee creamer. You guys know that's ever important. 2 original for my husband and a sugar-free Italian sweet cream for myself. They had no sugar-free peppermint mocha in the store anywhere, so that was sad, but it is what it is. And lastly, wow, we went through this stuff quick this week. I got some paper plates, or styrofoam plates. So, I feel like I forgot some stuff. What did I forget? I feel like that went way too quick. Oh, did I show you guys from Aldi? I feel like I skipped this whole little section. Cinnamon rolls. Those are for our Christmas morning. We always have cinnamon rolls on the morning of Christmas. The diced tomatoes and green chilies are for taco night, as are the Roma tomatoes. I picked up this olive oil spray, canola oil spray, some taco cheese, and I think lastly of the things that I forgot are the marshmallows. So now I think that's really it. If I forgot something, I apologize. I'm a little scatterbrained this morning, but you guys got the gist. So that's it. Totals will be up on the screen. Spent just a little over $100 this week, I think. We're going to be talking budget in the new year, but the grocery budget's definitely going to be going up because I just go over every week in one way or another, and I'm tired of it. So instead of expecting, having too high expectations of myself, I'm just going to raise the budget, I think. But that's not to talk about today. We'll talk about that in an upcoming video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you're new. I'd love to have you back. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!